Hi team, Fulasisage Amy, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come and show you guys a quick DIY. So I'm going to use cloves to make a natural homemade mouthwash. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing them incorrectly. We have a different name that we called it in my local language. So I have allergic problem. There's certain stuff that I can't use, so I try to make natural remedies at home. So I have been using this now for like years. I have been using it. So I was talking to a friend of mine. She was like, why can't you make a video about it and just share it with people? So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Sometimes I do eat it like that naturally. This herbs really helps with mouth odor. For example, if you have a smelly mouth or you have a problem with your teeth, like you have a gum issue, your gum is paining you, or you have a toothache, just take a little, just one piece, put it in your mouth and chew it or leave it in your mouth, and that one will help with the pain. What you can also do, you can also make it a powder and drink tea, or you can boil it and make a tea with it. So I do the same thing. People also do use this one for spiritual benefit, like it's all about your belief system. If you put it at your work areas, like places where you work, put it in your wallet. Some people believe that it's has something to do with abundance, that it will bring more abundance to you. So I like to use it to make mouthwash. I use it for different reasons. So I take a boiled water, put it in a container, make sure you sterilize the container, make sure the container is clean, and then I'm going to add few of the cloves into it, and then I'm going to leave it to sit down for a week or two, maybe like 3 or 4 days. Leave it to sit down so that the water is changing colors, the water gets really brown, and I use that as a mouthwash whenever I'm done brushing my teeth. And I just hold you what you do is, when you put it in your mouth, hold it in your mouth for like 2 or 3 minutes, let it stay in your mouth, because it helps with gum issue. If you have problem with your gums, it does help with gum issues. So you want to leave it in your mouth for a couple of minutes and then swallow it or spit it out if you want to. I would say swallow it because it does have some really health benefits. Eating cloves a day, every day, has some really great benefits. It helps strengthen your immune system, and it helps fight bacteria in your body. It does a lot. You guys have to do your own research. It does a lot. So I will leave this one to stay for a couple of days. As you guys can see, the color is already start changing, the water start changing color. For me, this is like a natural mouthwash, because natural mouthwash, even if the kids swallow the water, it wouldn't have any effect on them. So this is the one that I have right now, I'm using. So every time, before ever I run out, I go and make a new one, so that by the time the old one is finishing, I do have a new one. So this is what it looks like when you leave it. You guys can see when you leave it in the water, the clothes the thing get bigger, and that's how you see the water is changing. So this is what I'm using now. I'm making a new one for the next time, that for few couple of days when this one is finished. It's very good, very good mouthwash. If you have a smelly teeth or you have a smelly mouth, use this as a mouthwash, and it's very simple. Sometimes when I'm traveling, I'm going for a weekend, I do pour a little bit there in that container and take it with me when I'm going somewhere, instead of taking all that big container with me. But this is how you make your own natural mouthwash, and it's very healthy for the kids, for adults. If you have issue with your teeth, you have tooth pain, you have issue with mouth breath, mouth odor. If you know anybody that knows that has mouth odor, recommend this video. It's very good. You can do your own research. Do not rely on everything I said, because I have been using it for years. My mom has been using it on me for years, and it does has a really good health benefit, and it also do have some spiritual benefits. But that is all about your belief system. If you believe anything in this life, it's all about what you believe. If you believe in it, it works for you. If it doesn't doesn't believe in it, it doesn't work for you. But I just want to come and share with you guys this natural mouthwash, very healthy and very good for your body. It will help build your immune system, especially the situation we are right now in the world. You need something to help build you up, and this is like multiple job at once. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're going to keep this one, please keep it away from the kids so that the kids will not touch it, because it's on a glass bottle. The bottle might fall down, it might break, so try to keep it far away. So this is what it looks like. I hope you all like this video. It's very healthy. In my country, we use this one to make ginger beer, so I'm very, very much familiar with this one. And my mom used to kind of like fry it, not like fry, put it in a pan, let it warm, just ordinary pan, and then when it's like hot, she would take one of this thing and grind it, and it becomes powder, and she will use this in her food. It's very spicy, but you know, I eat a lot of spicy food, so I'm kind of used to it, and the kids also they like it, so it's very, very good. So I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and I hope to see you guys very soon. This is again Amy, and don't forget to be part of the Team Fullest family. Stay tuned and stay blessed.